All right, sped through that logo. So hi everyone, I'm from Econic. So we offer a platform technology that allows waste carbon dioxide to be used as a raw material and transformed into the high-performing products that we rely on every day. So consumers, or companies rather, use our catalysts in our process to incorporate renewable carbon into their polymers. And in doing so, they replace the expensive and the environmentally unfriendly oil-based and oleochemical raw materials. So our customers and our customers' customers can use these polymers in a range of different applications. So our first market has been polyols for polyurethane. So these are used in our mattresses, throughout our cars, all through our lives. And we are commercializing this process now with our partners around the world. We're now looking at surfactants. So this is at a much earlier stage, but obviously a lot more relevant to the conversation today. So our customers and our customers' customers see benefits in three main forms. So the first being economics, obviously. So the use of carbon dioxide in place of the oleochemicals and the oil-based raw materials is obviously a big economic benefit. CO2 is cheap, it's everywhere. But also our process has been designed to be energy efficient. It operates at low pressure and at low temperature. The second thing then is performance. So our process allows for the structure of the polymer to be tuned. So you can tune the functionality, the amount of CO2, and the overall molecular weight. And so what this means is you can create the properties of the polyol that you want, or the surfactant, for the specific downstream application. And lastly, we can't forget sustainability. So LCA studies have shown that using our process, there is about a 40% reduction in emissions from our process itself, from cradle to gate. And this can be further enhanced to make a fully renewable surfactant using a combination of mass balance and bio-sourced raw materials. So we are around today, so if you want to know more about how carbon dioxide can add value to your product, we would love to speak to you. Thank you.